Is your 2020-2024 Lincoln Navigator key fob not working reliably? A dead battery is the most likely culprit. This video will guide you through a simple DIY replacement, saving you time and money compared to dealership service. We'll cover everything you need to know to get your remote working like new in just a few minutes. For this DIY replacement, you'll only need a few simple tools: a small flathead screwdriver, or a coin to help pry open the key fob case. It's also recommended to work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid any potential damage to the fob's internal components. Once the case is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery. Note the orientation of the battery, with the positive side facing up, before removing it. Use your finger or a small tool to carefully pry the old battery out of its holder. Insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive plus side is facing up, matching the original orientation. If your key fob still doesn't work after replacing the battery, double-check the battery orientation and ensure the battery is new and fully charged. Clean the battery contacts inside the fob with a cotton swab. If problems persist, the fob might need reprogramming at a dealership, especially if it was exposed to moisture or physical damage. To extend your key fob battery life, avoid exposing it to extreme temperatures, as heat or cold can drain the battery faster. Also, be mindful that frequent use of remote start can drain the battery more quickly, so use it sparingly. Regularly check your battery, with experts recommending annual inspections to avoid inconvenience. Looking ahead, future key fobs may feature wireless charging, reducing the need for battery replacements. Additionally, smartphone integration could allow you to access your vehicle without a physical key fob, further decreasing reliance on batteries.